Hello friends, how are you all? So friends, today in this video we are going to see a very simple tutorial of SolidWorks. So let's start. So friends, this is the part which we are going to create today, and the very interesting thing here is we are going to see how you can create this kind of cut in SolidWorks. This kind of corner cut. So friends, let's start. And friends, this is our sketch with the help of which we are going to create this 3D model. And friends, I have given you link of this sketch in my description box also. So from where also you can download this sketch. So friends, let's start. Let's click on File, New. And friends, from here, click Select Part. So friends, first of all, we will create a L shape here. And then we will extrude it to a length of 70 mm. So friends, for that, click on Front Plane and then click Sketch. And friends, now from Command sections, select Line Command and start creating like this. Create a line like this, then a horizontal line, then a vertical line, then again horizontal, vertical, and now let's close the sketch. So now to come out of the command, simply right click and then select. And now friends, to give dimensions, from here click on Smart Dimensions. Now friends, let's start giving dimensions. So distance between this line and this line is given as 35. Distance between this line and this line is given as 45. And this length is given as 65. And distance between this line and this line is given as 80. So friends, see, now our sketch has turned black, means it is fully defined. Now we will extrude it. So to extrude, simply go on the feature and now here select extruded boss base. So friends, here we will select blind and here we will give length of 70 mm. See friends. Now friends, our sketch has been extruded, so now we will start giving cuts. So friends, first of all we will create this simple cut. So for that, simply click on this plane. Now select sketch. So friends, here we will create a triangle. So for that, select line. So let's start from here till this line to this corner point. Now let's close it. Right click, select to come out of the command. Now friends, let's give dimensions. So friends, distance between this point and this line is given as 38. See friends, from here to here, distance is 38. So distance between this point and this line is given as 38 mm. Now friends, let's extrude it, and extrude length is given as 20 mm. We will cut it to a length of 20 mm. So from feature, select extruded cut and here give length of 20 mm. So friends, see, now our cut has been created. Now it's time for our second cut, which is this corner cut. So for this friends, there are two methods. So friends, first method is that we create a plane. So for that, click on reference, then click on plane. So friends, here we will give reference. So friends, our first reference is this point, second reference is this point, and third reference is this midpoint of this line, this edge. So friends, see, now our reference plane is fully defined. Simply click right. Now friends, we will create a sketch on this plane. So for that, select this plane, select the sketch. So friends, here we will create a triangle. For that, select line, click on this point, and this midpoint. So friends, it is not working like in this way. So simply click on this line, click convert entities. Now friends, click here line and then see friends. Now midpoint is visible. Now friends, click on this point. Now simply select right. And now friends, we don't want this line, so we can simply trim it. To trim entities, select power trim and trim it. See friends. Now friends, we will create a cut. So for that, go on the features and click on extruded cut. And now friends, direction it is showing opposite. So from here, change the direction of extrusion. And see friends. Now it is covering this whole area. And simply click right. See friends, now our cut has been created. Simply click on this plane, select height. See friends. So friends, let's now try another method. So for that, click on this plane 1 and click right, delete. It will delete this cut feature. So friends, now for creating the same cut, you can create a 3D sketch here. So friends, for that, go on the sketch, click on this arrow and from here select 3D sketch. Now friends, select line and start creating a line. So from here to this point, from this point to midpoint of this edge, and from here to this point. See friends, same triangle we have created here with the help of 3D sketch. Now go on the feature and click on extruded cut. And now in selected contours, click on this line and from here click on through all. And here in direction of extrusion, click on this edge. And simply click right. See friends, with this method also our cut has been created. So friends, you have two options. Or I can say in any 3D modeling software, you have multiple methods to create the same feature. Like you can create anything by solid modeling also, surface modeling also. So friends, it's up to you which method you want to use and you are comfortable with. So friends, I really hope you have understood it well how to create this type of cut. So friends, if you have understood it well, then please like my video and share it with your friends. And if you like watching these kind of tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also you can follow me on Instagram. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can either text me on Instagram or write in the comment section. I will try to solve all your doubts.